They're all so pretty. They're all like a rubbery kind of consistency. They're not plastic, which I like because they're really freaking easy to get off. With plastic ones, I always had a hard time getting my phone out of it, but with these, it just slides on and off. So the first one, it's so pretty. I love it. And the second one, also flowers. Pretty much all three have flowers because I love them. They're so pretty. And here is the second one. And then the third one, which is my favorite. If you guys know me at all, you know I love to press flowers. I love pressed flowers in general. They are just, pressing flowers is something I really love to do. And I saw these cases months ago, but I didn't want to get one for my old phone because I knew I would be getting a new one. So like, why spend the money on that? But the last one, that's my favorite. It kind of has a tint to it, so it does take away from the actual rose gold color of my actual phone, but it's still so cute. I love pressed flowers. So this is probably going to be the one I use most often, but I love it. A lightning charger, and it is rose gold to match my phone. It's so pretty. Oh my god, just look at it. Just look at it. It's so pretty. Let's see, it seems longer than my actual... Oh, okay, so yeah, it is a decent, it's a really good size. It's so pretty. I love it. It matches my phone, and I'm just in love, honestly. And you can choose your phone, so you'll be able to find cases specifically for your phone type. That's the first thing you do on the site, is select which model of phone you have. They have more than just iPhone as well, which is good. I'm so excited, and I truly do love them, and they're very inexpensive on the website. Nothing is really super duper overpriced, which cases like these, especially on like Etsy, they can really get up there in price because they're usually handmade on Etsy. But I love these. They're great. They're cute. I'm definitely going to use them. That is, thanks again to Cellular Outfitter